Good day mga kagunas, mga Iko lover dyan. So for today's video guys, gagawa po kami ng something rare and of course, miniature ng aming Unity Park here in Zamboanga del Sur and inspired of tribe people, the Subanen, Moro, and of course, the Christian community. So ayan guys, no? So ito yung pinaka-part po ng ating creating processes. As you can see, yung pinaka-base po talaga, yung styro, and of course, in-undergo po siya ng papier-mâché. So ayan guys, no? Hope magustuhan nyo po ang aming new face ng ating Unity Park here in Zamboanga del Sur. So kahit papano, ma-achieve natin yan, no? So again, this is Gawang Kunas Diseños, a home of unique and original creation. And that's it guys, no? So this will be our one of the hand props of our upcoming new creation costume. So for araw ng Zamboanga del Sur, so abang po tayo guys, no? Kasi lalabas ito on stage. So again mga kagunas, we will show to you our full set of this kind of creation, and this will be the hand props. Again, this is your Neville RC, your Eco Queen from Kunas Diseños, mula sa tahanan ng mga kakaiba at original na mga likha. Maraming salamat po!